guys, yes indeed, I'm still harping away on this Ten Tec Pegasus control program on and off here. So I did add two new buttons, as you see here. There's a scan band in 100 Hertz increments and a scan band 1 kilohertz. And you might ask, why do I want to do that? Well, it gets tedious turning the knob I have on my desk to listen for people on here, and when I'm working on projects, it's great just to let this radio do its own thing. So that took some work today, but the way this now works is you can select a band to scan, and I might select 17 meters here and turn the volume up. And then I can hit the scan button. I can scan in 1 kc increments, and it will start above the FT8 and begin scanning. Here we go. So it heard somebody there. Somebody else. And then it'll start over then too. Once it gets to the band edge, it starts over. Now it started over. So if you select another band, it goes out of scan mode. Like if I go to 40 meters, the scan mode gets turned off and you're on 40. I could also then start scanning 40 meters. So anyway, what's cool about this is like really tedious long bands, like 10 meters, you can scan that for anything. Now, what I want to do next is scan it slowly, and I want to normalize the S reading across the band and get an average value for it, and then set the squelch and let it scan slowly, and if it hears somebody, I wanted to mark those frequencies into memories and auto-memorize what people would hear at the moment. And then you could go back and see what's what. So I guess that's our next project for it. But like 10 meters is really a long, long band. So you can go here and turn the volume up. And I don't get much volume on 10 at all. And begin to scan. This is going to take a while because there's lots of frequencies, but and of course with sideband you can miss weak stations doing it this way. But this will take a while. Anyway, kind of cool. I guess I could do it to AM radio too. I haven't tried that yet, so if I do a scan stop and go to AM. I actually didn't intend to scan AM, but so I had a volume disaster there. Okay, AM radio. Let me tune it back. I guess I don't have scanning working for AM. Actually, no, I don't have it working. Darn it. So I didn't really intend to scan AM radio. Anyway. Let's try scanning this. Well, that's not too fun. So what I would like to do next is set the squelch, or have it auto-normalize the squelch and set it. So that would be like on 17 meters here. I've heard people in here. So it looks like an S8 noise floor. So let's tune up a little bit. So very low noise floor. So I can probably keep the squelch into to S4, and that might work. S5. Nope. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so it squelches. So then I could scan this thing and scan it slowly. Let's try that. So let's scan slow here at the beginning. And if I run across somebody, it should open squelch. Okay, let's up the squelch to 5. Turn the volume up. So if I run across someone strong, it should perk up. And I probably should have a stop option where, like a real scanner, it just stops. That guy's not very strong. So it might even need squelch of S6. Looks like it found someone talking there. So now I'm in S6 squelch. Might be too high, who knows. Anyway, this would let me sit and do other things and let it run all day if I wanted to and see if I heard anybody. Instead of having to turn the dial myself, let it do its own turning. I like this. So this is easier, a way to see if people are on and transmitting. Just let it scan for activity. I think Ten Tec radios do this. Some of them have scanning built in. I think the Pegasus did. And maybe the Omni does too. I don't know. Omni 6 Plus, which I have here. But this is a Ten Tec Pegasus, which I've been working on, as you know, for a long time now. Trying to get value out of this old radio. Anyway, yeah, it looks like S6 might be too strong for squelch. Doesn't really hear anybody. I think if somebody strong was on here, it would punch on through. So maybe I'll go back to S5 and see what it hears. Well, there's a 4 on there. So I think unless someone's really strong, it's not going to punch through. Let's try S5. Squelch. Of course, with the SDR, you can see the entire band. This, unfortunately, is an old radio. So that's my control program running here, and it's telling us what we've been doing here. Squelch going from S6 to S5. Okay, there's somebody. So now I should probably have it stop and record that frequency and then move on. I should put a little window in the bottom of what it found. Anyway, that's what I'm working on. Not super exciting, but let's see what 15 does. So if I hit 15, it'll stop scanning. It should. And whoop, let's see, is it gonna work? Wow, nightmare. So the volume is too high. It's way too high. Okay, 15 may not work. Not sure why. Nope, I got some bad code in there. What about 17? Well, we tried that. How about 12? So I gotta fix 15. How about 10? We tried 10. Okay, so how do we fix 15 meters? Let's take a look at that. I probably got some bad numbers in there. So if 15 doesn't work, 30 works. We know 40 works. 60 works. 80 works. 160 works. Okay, so we have problems with 15, I think. 15 is bad. Okay, so what's up with 15 here? Let's bring up the JavaScript Bootstrap Studio program. And we'll do this. And let's see the JavaScript itself. And let's find 15 meters if I can. I can't get the window to show that, or can I? Let's see. Let's make this smaller. Bring this up. Okay, there we go. Now, 15 meters just says 15 here somewhere. Let's see what I did wrong. Yeah, this program is getting messy, that's for sure. There's 20. So I set the frequency here, parse in, 17 meters, parse in, 15. What do we have here? 21.0, parse in. That looks normal, doesn't it? Is it the same length? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 21.074, 21.45. That looks about right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. I can't say I understand why it doesn't work. Let's go to 7, 6, 21.076, 21.45. That should work. It's very mysterious why that doesn't work. All right, let's do a apply. Okay, let's reload the program. So we changed JavaScript, I reload the browser with that. Now it's reloaded. Go back to 15 meters, hit scan. Wow, I'm not sure why that doesn't work. That's crazy. Unless I did something wrong with parse int or something crazy like that. Let's see. Let's debug that. Yeah. Parse int. Try and get back down to where I can open up JavaScript code here. There it is. So what is going on here with 15 meters? Yeah, this thing's really a hack. I'm just gonna hack stuff in this thing. It's really a mess. So here we say parse int, band lower, band upper. The lower should be less than the upper. You know, sometimes these get like weirdo characters in it, so I'm just gonna do this, and this might amaze you, and it might amaze me, but sometimes you just go like type it over, because something odd got in there, which you can't see. Okay, and this one's gonna be 2, 1, 0, 7, 6. Just like that. Next one is called band upper. Oh, I know why it doesn't work. I didn't put in band upper. That's crazy, Jeffrey. So, that's why it didn't work. Sometimes you type things over and you understand what you did wrong. Okay, change this to upper. That'll fix it. We had upper and lower the same variable. Don't forget it. Okay, so apply. And we'll do a save, export, close it. We'll do a reload on this web page. And now we'll test 15 meters. We'll say 15, scan, band. There it goes. So that's how to fix stuff in software. You just gotta not make mistakes. No, I can't really hear anything. Let's do a stop. So I need to make this thing efficient now. There's probably things I'm doing in JavaScript that aren't really too cool or great, that are taking too much time from the browser and causing it to kind of mess up. So this does a lot of stuff, but real time it's sometimes difficult to keep all these balls rolling. This thing probably runs about 5 threads, and it might be overtaxing the browser infrastructure. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's my little demo. That's the scanning now that I put in this thing. Getting messy. I guess the antenna tuner still works. Let's try that out. Let's go to 40 meters. There's 40. Up the volume. Anyway, if I want to basically talk around here or whatever, I can simply now set the antenna by saying antenna 40. It'll tune the antenna up correctly from memory of the different clicks of inductor and capacitance I need, and from here I can say power 15 watts. I can check my tune by turning on the transmitter, and 17 watts out, nothing coming back, which is good. I can increase the power now to say 60 watts and 40 meters. Okay, so 75 watts out, 2 coming back, that's not too bad. I can then try and tweak that out by saying, usually inductance up will take it out. Hit that once. Yeah, takes it out, so that's pretty wild. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I've been doing this thing lately. And have a great day and enjoy Monday. Bye-bye now.